Select the relevant rental agreement. On the View Rental Agreement page, click on the Vehicle Info tab, and look for the green right arrow button as shown in the video. Update the changes necessary for the check-in. Once done, click the Proceed button. You will be prompted with the check-in confirmation message and actual date in. Check the details and click on the Save button to complete the check-in job. You should see that the status of the rental agreement is tagged as outstanding. Moreover, you can also compare the handover and takeover checklist side by side. From the rental agreement overview, go to the Checklist tab. Tick the box of each checklist and click the Compare Checklist button. Check-in and check-out will be shown side by side.